How many times have you been out of Haiti?
This last year, I traveled 4 times.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, California, Chicago, Wisconsin.
But you want to stay living in Haiti?
All my life is in Haiti.
Unemployment is about 90% in Haiti.
They may have had an Einstein there, but for lack of opportunity, there's hardly a chance to get anywhere in life.
Those people you see in the line, they are waiting to see the doctor. Some of them come a long way. This is the one place they can get something free. That's a blessing. Most of the time people think the good life they can find it outside of their country. It's not true. Everywhere, everything is difficult. Everywhere there is people living, you will be in trouble. Only when we will be in the heaven, no more trouble. I love my people. I love my country.